Hello Tobatsi, welcome to roseb.com. Rose-b.com. Roseb stands for register your domain, organize your website, do your search engine tools, create your emails, protect through barricade, expand through hosting, and getting expert help. So all those acronyms are dedicated to your web project. So basically, let's look at what you are looking for. You are looking basically for a directory, and the best way to look at what you are looking for is using the plugin that's going to be used to build you a directory. As you can see, this demo shows how a directory's faced page can have its layouts. The layouts can have cities that are, you can select the views through cities, you can select views through places or through categories, etc. Now, in this instance, we're going to look at shopping. Let's say you want to know how is it going to display. This is how it's going to display. As people hover over, people get to see which shop, where is this thing happening. And people get to see who's displaying what. What's on their profile. So people are able to also see what they can do. They can talk about their trade hours, put their website information, put email information, contacts, and all the valuable information that will help people to track them. So yes, most definitely you do need to take this into consideration as that people are going to be using a lot of data. So let's do a little bit of assessment of the project. Let's say what system to use. Okay, the system you can use is called a managed server. Managed server, you can select and you will see the options that we have. Basically, we have an entry level, which is entry level on the basis of bandwidth. It has a 5 terabyte bandwidth, meaning it can handle a large capacity of files coming in and out, and it can allow multiple IP addresses. So let's choose one configuration. As you can see, to configure a server, you need to choose if you want your server not only to host your website, but also to give you an option where you have an online computer system that allows the team to join in on one system, whether they are, it's called remote access. So to create that remote access, that you can just click and add that. If you are not looking to create a billing system for selling websites, I recommend you leave this blank. So I'm going to finalize this project by selecting a domain name, which is cows sellingcows.com, and then I am, oh yeah, there we go, it's available. So I can edit, and then I can proceed to check out. Now let me explain something. As you can see, we have the machine, and then we have the operating system, and we have the system that can be shared in order to work files, whether you are working with advertisers or whosoever. And you have your cPanel for your website, and you have your domain for your website. So you have 1 terabyte undisturbed space dedicated for this web project. And we can click check out. Now, the second thing that you're going to need is the emailing system. You can choose the emailing system for your project, which will cost, let's say you have 5 members, and each member you want them to have an email account, and you don't want to disturb that space that is reserved for the directory. So you will have to select this option and get an email by this account, selling cows. But each email, you have to protect it. You have to get a site lock and a backup system. Backup system allows you, when files are deleted, and those were important files, so that you can retrieve those files. As you can see, the this is the list of the items that we are going to need, and most importantly, we are going to need a theme. What is a theme? A theme is a WordPress templates. We've got so many templates. We've got hundreds of templates that are available. You can choose the templates you want. I would recommend you pick this one. Let me show you what value it has. Okay, this is Creatica. So Creatica is a program that has plugins inside it, and some of these plugins are very valuable for the project. They are dedicated for the project. Plus, it has an amazing number of themes. You buy one theme, you get 50 themes. You buy one, you get 50 free. And this theme is very interesting, very modern, very nice. It has an easy step-by-step videos that are dedicated to show you how to install and manage. And as you can see, this is how the theme is displayed. Now let's look at one example. For an example, if you want to use the theme for a purpose of project, let's look at this, how it displays. So you can have something similar to this quality where you can have sliding information, popping information, where there's GIF images or videos that are popping from different people, things are just popping. So it's kind of stylish, and I think it's one of the greatest potential themes that can be implemented for this project. So basically, you just have to add it to cart. When you buy a theme, you get our full web editing support. We will do your website. Another thing that you need to have in order to run your system, let me see what we have. Okay, okay, okay. Now we can check out here on a shopping cart. We have our domain. Our domain is selling cows. We have our hosting package, which is an American. Uh, that's where the server is, and this is the operating system. And this add-on is the access to that operating system. This is the backup for the emails, and these are the 5 email accounts, and this is a theme. And by buying this theme, you are getting free support. So you can proceed and create an account, and I'll meet you on the other side to begin the process of